attempting to set up the Wi-Fi password on LNC 680 control, you may be faced with the need to use lowercase characters. The control itself does not have functionality for this, but there is a solution that I have found. It requires using additional USB ports in the back of the machine. Taking off the rear panel of the machine, I'll have access to 2 additional USB ports where I'm going to add a Wi-Fi adapter. This is the Wi-Fi adapter that I am actually using. With the back panel removed, we now have access to the 2 additional USB ports at the top of the control. On a PC, I have already taken the Wi-Fi password and put it inside a NC file. I'm going to use file management to import that file into the control of the machine. In this case, I have affectionately called it password.nc. Once it is inside the control, I'm going to select the program and bring it up to our editor so that I can have access to the password. By importing the password, it maintains the upper and lowercase characters. What I'm going to do is use the Shift and arrow key to select the password and then hit Program and Copy, which will put it in Clipboard. Next, I'm going to swap out the USB drive and put a dongle for a USB keyboard and mouse, the mouse being the key element here. My keyboard is a keyboard mouse combo, something I use on a different machine. Now switching over to maintenance mode, we'll go network, wireless, and select the security key. On the input box, we will right click, which will bring up a menu that allows us to paste. We see that the password has the alphanumerical characters as in the program. In a reasonably short amount of time, you should get a message up on the screen that says the wireless network has obtained an IP address. Once that has been obtained, you should be able to use your Recon FTP.